Hello, Tubahubers, and welcome back to my channel. Today is 10 on the 10th, and I have made 10 Christmas cards with this lovely stamp set called Jolly Santa by Your Next Stamp. This is indeed my next stamp. I have used both the sentiment, Believe in the Magic, and the Santa stamp. That's the entire stamp set, so we used the whole thing. And here are indeed my 10 cards. Now, you may recognize this if you have watched my other videos on this channel, and you have seen my Show Us Your Sheet Load video, because this is indeed another way of doing the sheet load of cards for June 2021, because this is basically the exact same diagram. It's the same thing from Alicia of Call Me Crafty Al. It is the exact same thing. So it is a little bit different because I used the strip down here for my sentiment, which is a little different, and I used the entire space up in the middle for my image, which was Santa, which I just thought was, I just saw the sketch and thought, I have that stamp set with Santa on it that I wanted to use for this video, and thought, yes. So the interesting thing is, this was originally this stamp set and a lot of these papers. So this is the back of, I have to think about this one. I think it's the back of this one, and this is the back of this one, and this didn't come from the kit, and this didn't come from the kit, and this didn't come from the kit, but it was the stamp set, and two of these papers were from one of my Scrapping for Less kits that I had, and this was my first use of my Ohuhu markers, which, by the way, I really liked. Okay, these were no Ohuhu markers. This is R29, R27, and R17. They're my Copics. The only set of Copics I own, because someone gave them to me. Yeah, I just got to tell you that Copics, I just think Copics are too expensive. And I'm just looking at this whole set of cards. So I did use some Nuvo drops. I don't know if you can tell. I used some Nuvo drops for his hat and his pom-pom. Except for this one, which I missed, which after this video I will fix. But I used some blue in his eyes, and I used gray for his hair. You know, eyes, eyebrows, well, not eyes. His eyes are obviously not hair, but for his eyebrows and his hair and his beard, I just used markers, which I think came out really nice. And I really like this. I used an R39, 37, I think it's R39 actually, for the berries, the cranberries, or holly berries, which came out really nice and dark. And I just think they're very simple, they're very cool. I took the silver for the background from this paper. There's only one strip of this paper here, because it didn't cut with lots of the silver sparkle on it. I didn't have any extra, so I just cut another strip of this paper, which I have gobs of. So, yeah, I have two backgrounds, I have 3 strips. I've got lots of that paper, so not to worry. I've got so much of that paper. So I think he came out adorable. I am thinking about using, I have a blue gel pen. So I used, hold on for a minute, because you are not going to, you never start on your card. You always start off your card. And this is why, because if you're seeing this here, yeah, this pen is like not working. I had a blue gel pen, and maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. But I was thinking about using the blue gel pen on his eyes because it's just about the same color as his thing there. One of the tricks to getting a gel pen to work is peeling off the back and blowing into it. So I may or may not do that on his eyeballs after the video. But anyway, the rest of the people who do 10 on the 10th are listed down below. Go see them. Come back again. You can never have too much Christmas. No, you can't. One of the things I did do was I did put extra paper on the top of Santa and the bottom of Santa so that Santa was flat, because then he doesn't look bent. So always a good thing to try. Anyway, come back again next month. Enjoy your Christmas. Spread Christmas cheer all year long. Don't be grumpy. Just don't be grumpy. Be kind. Everyone is fighting a battle you know nothing about. So just be kind. And that is my advice for this month. Talk to y'all later.